So I had a customer call in at the store just now, and they told me that they were willing to spend $500. Yes, you heard me correctly. $500 on an AC compressor. That's crazy. Now I'm outside in the junkyard, making it my mission. I'm giving myself 1 hour, 60 minutes to go find this man an AC compressor that matches his car. Let's get started. This is a Sonata. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness! I am nothing! Sonata. Well, golly, there ain't nothing in there. Oh, this one got hit pretty hard on the front. Ooh, this does not look so good. Ooh, it's got the compressor down there, but I don't think that's any good. Nope. I don't think it's got it down there. It don't got it. I'm running out of clean poles here, and I'm running out of time. This guy needs this part today, but the sad part is, nobody wants to roast in this heat, but also, who wants to spend $500 on a compressor? That's the realistic part about it. See a compressor right here. It looks to already be dry. Let's see if it drops any liquid. Give it some juice. Dry. And it's brown in there too. No good. And we're running out of time here. I think we finally found a clean one here. See, customer told me his is a hybrid. Most of the Sonatas out here are not hybrid. I'm looking at this one and it looks pretty solid. I'm not seeing no leaks. It looks pretty good inside. Liquid's nice and clean. This might be the one right here. Let's find out. All we're gonna be needing today is a 12mm socket. You can use a ratchet, impact, whatever you please. That's one. Ooh, that was a scary noise. That's two. Another scary noise. That's three. Oh, and that's four. All right. So now that I've got it dangling here, I'm gonna try to pop this pin off. This is like a clip. It's a clip to hold the harness for the compressor in. I have a bigger fear that it's just gonna clap my finger than it is anything else. She coming down. She don't wanna come out. Yes. Got this little one even better. Maybe I could just bust that out of there. There we go. Just like that. It's a little bit more difficult than the average compressor. But then again, this one is fairly new. Looks to be in amazing condition. It's not leaking any funky colors, or if I'm looking at it correctly. To my knowledge, it's a pretty solid color. Now, the reason that these wires are important is because this is a hybrid converter, and I don't really know how to explain hybrid cars too well, but this one doesn't have a pulley, so it doesn't run like a normal one. This one runs off of pure electricity. So once the car powers on, that powers on. It's got another plug right here. Can I get that one out? Nah, that one don't come out. I'm gonna just have to use them wires. All right, that's interesting. You learn something every day. I just saved this guy around 450 bucks or so. He might not even spend $65. This is in the price range of $60 to, I want to say, $64 with taxes and everything. That's a really good price, especially if you're looking to go spend all of that money outside. I wouldn't do it, man. And that's why junkyards matter. That's why this kind of stuff matters, because it's not just about the parts. It's about the people, the savings. And that's why, if you guys like our videos, that's why you should smash that like button and that subscribe button, and then comment what videos you guys want to see next time. What kind of videos do you guys want to see? What kind of parts do you want to see me take out of a car? Let us know in the comments, and that's where this video ends. I almost busted my booty.